What? What? For the world, it's not a plan. Hear me, man. A franchise is choosing one. The 10-star general. And you know, anytime I represent, you know a loud explosion when I drop necessary equipment. You know a Gaza I represent for all day. You hear that? Watch. So hear me, man. Right now, I come to address some ungrateful people, you hear me? Because I get to find out right now, it's like the whole of dancehall get ungrateful. And let me tell you something. It's not just dancehall alone, all the people them get ungrateful right now, you know what I mean? And that I get for see. So here what I go on now, right now. You see now the genre of dancehall music, my virgin. Let me tell you this. You're fucking ungrateful because every youth will come and bust in a dancehall music after Vybz Kartel supposed to give respect to the general. You hear me I say? Supposed to, because hear me I make you know. Watch this now, man. Remember when Vybz Kartel, you know, introduced to this world, in this dancehall world, you know, by Rodney Price, you know. Remember the song them of Vybz Kartel are dropping, you know. You remember say I did modern technology to in the ears. You remember Jamaica and the world never ready for them type of 3-syllable rhyme yet. You know, you forgot say some people couldn't understand it. But right now people over the world catch on on that and people are start all go out of them culture and all do all them thing there. And I make millions of fight because I know them song there. I know them song they're supposed to just release because Vybz Kartel was before him time. You might think we are head before him time. And the whole lot wanna come on and grab the style. I wanna eat with it. But let me tell you something, my brethren. Even, you know, if you make, let me tell you something. Any man at all can make money. You hear me? All the foolish man can make money. But it take a wise man to keep it. So let me tell you something. It don't make sense, you know, not hot enough for 1 or 2, 3, 4 years, you know. And when the 5th year come in the last out of dancehall, you know. That means you're not predominant as a dancehall artist, you know. Because I can bet you know any money. You see, enough of you want to hear and try boots up and hype up on you look yourself because you probably have 2 look at hit song and go like on a big artist. Let me tell you something. Most of you know, can't go nowhere over the world, you know. Go perform, you know, with a Shabba ranking, you know. Or a Beanie Man, you know. Or a Bounty Killer, you know. Or a Shaggy or Sean Paul and them and or a Buju Banton, you know. Or a Elephant Man, you know. You no go over some place over the world and you get lost on the stage because you don't know the shortcut there on the stage. You don't have that type of performance there. It will take a man like Vybz Kartel to come do that. You hear me? Hi, good. How about you? That's nice. Alright. Same to you. You see what I say? It will take a man like Vybz Kartel because you know why I say that? Me watch Vybz Kartel and I perform on the best of the best. I watch Jamaica, the man doing a video screen thing, TV screen thing. I the first never see that in a dancehall. TV screen thing. The general not even there and him shell with the place. Wicked. I'm tell you something. Right. A whole heap of money them pay. For them watching on TV screen, my best of the best. Right now, you know, but ever go mix up I donor in this guy. Here what I go on. I donor, if I go call I donor name, I have to call I donor name after Vybz Kartel and Busy Signal. And that's what I have to assassin them. And that's what I have to put I donor. I can't put him, because that's him belong. You hear me? So I not go style no man out of them character. And that's him belong. We have Vybz Kartel, Busy, and assassin and them man there. You see what I deal with? Because them man there in a different region. When I talk about dancehall music, you know what I mean? Hi, good my friend.
How you doing?
Yeah, we made it, right?
You did it.
Right. Alright. Yeah, so may I say, the youngest and the baddest dancehall artists them right now when it come to like dancehall music, hardcore and dancehall performance, I never gonna lie. are the two Gaza youth them. Popcorn and Tamale, them have the baddest set of performance. You know what I mean, out of the youth them. So me no want a youth come and get one or two hit song and him name get loud in a dancehall and him think that's a dancehall there. Dancehall no there so. Dancehall there a youth for build a nice catalog and add on pan it continually till you set the foundation for yourself. That means you don't even have to drop no hot song. Because when you becomes the man, you know, or becomes a man in a dancehall or a column, you know, it's not necessary say you need no fucking hot song, no hit song, no number one song. Because your catalog there to prove it for yourself, you know what I mean? How much you can go anywhere at all over the world go perform with the likes of Baby Shaman them thing there. You don't get lost on the stage. Elephant Man, you don't get lost on the stage. Beanie Man worse, Killer worse. You can't perform amongst them man there. But just because things and time change now. And you don't know say a modern time now. So when a promoter want a youth, him probably have to a youth with hot in a dancehall, him probably have to pay more money than back then. You understand me? So youth start collect all that nice money now, and here him youth. Him start collect a nice money, him have couple man behind him, him drive a nice car, him have nice jewelry and them shit there. Him start hype up himself and think him are the man. Use not. Where you do the man that been there, done that and do better than that. You know what I mean? You know hype with local hits. You know hype with no half of the billboard. Be white people, I see a gravitate to them thing there. American artists, them find out say dancehall are the way to go and the quickest thing that for rise up. And that them a do. You see what I deal and I eat all of the food. Meanwhile, you know, bad mind, you know, I'm watching, you know, bad mind, you know. You know what I mean? The whole of you know, the eat off of the man craft, you know. I see some of you go like, you come show no respect. And I go like, say, well then, you just jump up off on your own and just start write them lyrics there and them shit there. A vybz cartel thing, the whole of you get ideas off of. So don't get it twisted. Remember the general, the 10-star one I represent. We don't know what time it is. How you doing? Good? Alright, my friend. You see what I say? Remember, say, me I represent, remember, say, when I drop necessary equipment, remember, say, our people art me dig out. And that me do for Gaza. You see what I deal with? I not deal with lollipop thing. I not join the gas up business and the tracing thing. Remember what I do? I burn down people flat for Gaza. Good. You know what I mean? And the whole of YouTube know that. Them know how I set it. And my gun I use and make it. And on a lollipop thing. I don't see it all, my gun see it. You hear that? You don't have to know that. So when respect is concerned and respect due, you have to show respect, forget respect. You see what I deal with? Because I never see Beanie Man and Killer them come up on a disrespect. Shabba Rankin and Ninja Man and Super Cat them. The man them ever big up them man there. Likewise Buju and Tan. You see what I say? The man them ever big up them man there. I soon look at you come and get 1 and 2 hits and I go like on a bad band artist or a wicked artist. I hear also some look of fool bloggers. I try hype up the look of youth from down at Mobile against Tamale. The youth not dust boss. What wrong with you? Stupid or what? The youth dust boss. There is nothing like Tamale. I'm not disrespect the youth, but you say if you want to tell the youth something good on them thing there, tell the youth to learn how to sit down properly on the beat. I not disrespect him, but I a true born dancehall fan. Tell him to learn how to sit down properly on the beat. You know what I mean? And let me tell you something. The man performance, the man stage performance, bigger than the song we must sing. I mean, I don't know if you don't ever see that. Because I don't deal with lollipop thing, you know. Remember, I'm from around, you know. The great Brigadier Jerry, them, you know. Horseman Scabby come Scabby with me, you know. The great Sassafras and them artists, they don't know them artists there, you know. Me around when DJ collect $20 and $30, you know. For clash other artists, at that DJ collect, you know. Me around from them time there, you know, youth. You know that, you know. I run from Peter Mitchell, lit down the whole blood clot world, you know. Peter Mitchell, the first ear-to-ear DJ you have in Jamaica, you know. Well, we DJ for the ear 3 times in a row, you know, consecutively, you know. Well, I think vybz cartel grace all enough for him song them. Sharon are pregnant, you're pregnant. And me hear on there, they jump and massacre, same thief vybz kartel side. Peter Mecha the first man start talk them thing there in the dancehall. Peter Mecha the first man even start talk Spanish in the dancehall. You don't know them artists, them a virgin. Because you don't do no homework. So you come out and feel like you can't come disrespect the elders them and run past them with what? Hype. Because you don't have the work for back it up. I read that. So, them who not got hype on a man who don't have the work for back it up. You never sell gold yet? Eh? Do you ever sell gold yet? You never sell platinum yet? What's wrong with you now? Don't make this hype get too in and look at you guy now. Make sure you can maintain, and that's the biggest thing for you. None of you soon run down some hype thing. None of you ever check busy. You check busy signal, you check them youth their career. You saw them youth them maintain, because busy big all over the world, you know. And in a Jamaica, you know, the man take it easy, you know. And you probably think, so you hype on all them man there, you know. You can't go out there go pull no crowd like them man there. And you can't go out there go perform like them man there for performance theater. You can't perform like them man there. And this is I don't want to show you that all too. Same above the catalog. You see what I deal with? So now I put them man there against Kartel, Busy Signal and Assassin, and them type of artists there, because you don't know the shortcut on the stage like them. They're the best thing after them man they come, you know, in a music, you know, where you talk about performance thing, you know, my virgin. A tamale and popcorn, you know, I not lie upon that. That's another lollipop thing. Nobody can say I lie, me I lie. And I now put Tanto Blacks in that car. When everybody in the world know a Tanto Blacks thing that. Does Tanto Blacks not have sing no song? Does him appearance alone and you go dead with laugh, because you know so Tanto Blacks things there. The man thing unique, the man thing is like a one of a kind thing. Differently, the man thing come like a brand new thing, one can't believe it. Enough boy even try and them just can't do it. You know what I mean? So, you know what I mean? What is the Caesar due to Caesar? But me I say, to all some look at idiot and some look at clown bloggers when I see I try for hype up man. And I try to make the youth them act like say them not no respect for the elders them. Let me tell you something. Tell the youth them I'm up there. Practice off sit down on the rhythm properly. That I'm problem. I see him stage performance, it's bigger than the song them when I sing. Don't ever try put him up against family. That one I do a lollipop thing, you hear me? Big lollipop thing on I do. I'm telling you something. Uno boy when you say, come and hype and eat food off of vybz kartel name, because vybz kartel style the whole of you come. Adapt and learn off and go like you don't want to show no respect. I'm telling you something. You not go last in this when vybz kartel and Buju Banton free. Remember, I'm telling you that, you hear that? You not go last in that. Because you see, if you not slap up you catalogs that you can build a good foundation that you can eat off of, watch what go on when the man them come. Gaza people don't know me not deal with no lollipop thing, you know. Watch. And the freedom of the general.